In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames to an image on Visme. This is a useful skill if you want to enhance your designs with a polished or creative touch. Let's dive right in and start with selecting the image you want to frame. First, navigate to your Visme project and identify the image you wish to add a frame to. Simply click on the image within your project to select it. Now, sometimes you might notice the image is part of a group or template, and it seems locked. In such cases, you'll need to unlock or ungroup it first. Doing so will allow you to apply a frame without any restrictions. With your image successfully selected, the next step involves using the Frame tool. Look towards the Properties or Settings panel. You'd typically find this panel located at the top left or right of your screen whenever an object like an image is selected. Here, you'll find an option labeled Frame, or something along similar lines. Go ahead and click on that to open up the framing options available to you. Now comes the fun part, picking a frame style. In the Frame menu, you'll encounter a range of frame styles and border designs from which to choose. Visme offers an array of options, from simple border frames to more elaborate decorative ones, allowing you to pick a style that best suits the vibe you're looking to create. After you've selected a frame that you like, focus on resizing it to snugly fit your image. You'll notice white pointers around the frame edges, which you can simply drag to adjust the frame size. After selecting the style of your frame, let's fine-tune its size and position to achieve the perfect look. This part is crucial for ensuring that the frame doesn't just fit the image, but also enhances its appearance in your design. Hover over the handles around the frame's borders and drag them as necessary to refine its dimensions. Make sure to adjust it so that it not only fits well, but also aligns ideally with the image for a clean and professional finish. As you move and reposition the frame, keep an eye out for any alignment lines that Visme might suggest. These guidelines can be very handy in ensuring that your frame and image are perfectly level with other elements in your project. Take your time adjusting, and feel free to experiment with different frame styles and positions until you're satisfied with the outcome. Once you've nailed down the right look, step back and admire the enhanced appeal your framed image brings to the overall design. And there you have it, a beautifully framed image ready to make your Visme project stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.